to nun man to. Haha.
I'm Tiger Woods.
They're bad guy.
See that guy right there? Yeah, you. He was booing me. Wait a minute. Yeah, we might actually need these people. Here, back this. Brothers and sisters!
Hey, Deacon! We are not your brothers and sisters. They are good people, and they're with me. Right?
Somebody shut him up.
Come on.
Oh, oh. They're fighting there.
This all you got? Fighting for no one tells me to shut up.
Solo ba ito? Oh!
Shut up. Where was that? Yeah. Desolate children, you poor lost souls on this floating pile of sheet metal. The provider has spoken, and he told me personally that somebody here knows the way to dry land. Yes, my dry land. We are going to pave it. We're going to drive it. We're going to tax it and tithe it. Sweet Joe above, we are going to use it. Cruise it, drill it, fill it, and build an 18-hole golf course for marvel of itself.
You'll never find dry land, Deacon. I won't let you.
Yeah,
And
right.
neither will the mariner.
Boys, close the gates. The mariner! You mean that half-man, half-fish boyfriend of yours? The one that poked up my eye.
Yeah! And the one that poked out his eye. His eye.
Bring me the girl. Helen, you know, I think we got off on the wrong foot. Here, now.
No, thanks.
No, thanks. You want to play games? Okay. I got a game for you. Watch her. What do we got up there, boys?
He's got a lawnmower. And he's got dirt.
Ah, you hear that? Dirt. See,
Oh, no.
I need to know the way to dry land. I'll make this game simple. It's called the first one to talk lives.
You leave him alone. Please. He doesn't know anything.
Boys, it looks like we got a winner. Kylan, don't tell that fool anything. And the loser, drop him.
Don't stop!
Oh!
Well, this time's over, Helen. Now you're going to tell me the way to dry land. What are next? So shoot. On now. Off through me. What do you mean, draw? I'm in the water. He's going under. It's probably married. Time to have a little fun. Get those guys straight, boys. Anything comes up, you shoot.
Oh!
Well, that's how you I don't think he has time. Chuck, let's fillet the flounder.
他们鸡蛋哥哥。
That's what I'm talking about. Hey, we got a runner. No, not the girl. We need the girl. Come on out there, man. I just want to talk to you. Give me another way. Hey, Mary, you're not going to ruin my legs or dry legs. Hey, everybody go next to me free. Left hand, right hand, left. How about this? Keep your head on the swivel truck. Hey, Mariner.
张嘴巴。
Come here, Mariner. Let's go. Just you and me, huh? Man versus fish.
Hey! There's something on your face! There's something on your face! There! I think you got him!
Helen, something on your back. Why is he still alive? Yeah, you get up there and you finish him. And signal my seaplane. And blow the place to Kingdom Come. I'll take care of the mutant. Shut up, do your job.
Oh my god.
I need something with a little more kick. I ask, you shall receive. Hey, Mary, try this on the side. Do me a favor, huh? Stay in one place. I'm getting closer. Oh, you're gonna use Chuck the shield, huh? I never liked Chuck. All right, winner! Shut up. Ellen, sweetheart, he's gone. It's just you and me now.
Let go!
Get used to it. We're getting out of here. Boys, signal my seaplane. Boys, what do you know I'm better dead?
Good!
So is your boyfriend. See that line? Start climbing.
No!
Don't make me tell you again. I just got a brand new mission. A pilgrimage for two to dry land. Me and you, Helen. As husband and wife. Oh yeah. I'm gonna want to have kids. Lots of life. Helen, don't be afraid. Let's save the flavor of dry land together. Here, you need kids. Sure. I don't think so. That's right, Helen. Go pack. We got a plane to catch. My seaplane. Right down here. It's time to decide to face a new world. Does it belong to man? Fish. Hey, Helen.
Oh my
You're
god.
not going anywhere with the whole
Hey, you're here. Oh.
Just why won't you die? Go! No! Look at me! You make me hit my seaplane! No! Boy, bring it up!
Oh my god. Oh.
Mariner, that plane is my way out here. Nevertheless, I got you wounded. I killed your friends. Who's gonna stop me now? You? I don't think so. leg to